So Silver Comet, Allison's little rocket. I got her on eBay. The short fatty, older one. She's gonna do the launch, her first launching rocket. Yeah. You ready, hun? Press the big button down. Lights on. 3. Three is good. Yeah. Oh, we got her. Oh, she's going the same direction. And bigger chute. She's going down slow. We upgraded to the nylon chute. Yeah. Well, it's coming slower. Our first launch didn't go so well. I forgot to press record. And we had the original chute, which a hole burnt through it. Oh, Sam's on her. Sam's on her. 8 points to catch it. Oh, that's an easy one. Good job, hun. Cheers.